Hi everybody, my name is Eric Tremblay. I'm the director of the Engineering Teaching and Learning team. And this video is a quick summary of an introduction to the Engineering Teaching and Learning team and how we can help TAs and instructors do a great job in their teaching practice. Now at its core, this teaching and learning team is really a support center for anybody on the teaching team. So it's important for you as TAs to understand what kind of resources are available to you in developing your teaching practice. Now this is an old picture. This is a pre-pandemic picture taken in 2019 of the folks that were on the engineering, teaching, and learning team. Now you can't tell from looking at this picture what kind of qualifications folks have, but one thing you can tell is that we're a friendly bunch. What we really want to do here is make it very clear to all our stakeholders that we're here for them, we're here to help, and we're very inviting, collaborative, and positive minded. So we're ready to work with TAs, instructors, anybody who's on a teaching team to help make their teaching better. And so we have a lot of professionals on the team that are very diverse in their skill sets. So some folks are instructional designers, some folks are educational media producers, other folks are data analysts. We have all kinds of roles. And in general, the team has been responsible in the Faculty of Engineering and Applied Science for several types of courses. We've been doing online courses, blended courses, face-to-face courses, lab and field courses, and all kinds of different materials like that. When it comes to educational technology, we are certainly here in a capacity with a lot of expertise to be able to help. I'll just give you a kind of a sense of some of the things that you can think about. Now, here's a good one, OnCue. Everything having to do with OnCue. Now, there's fantastic resources at the university with web pages and supports that are available centrally around OnCue, but you can come to the engineering, teaching, and learning team too. We can help you with OnCue and all the integrations that are being used for OnCue. I've listed a couple of them here, whether it's Turnitin, Grasp, Ensemble video streaming, or even Aropa. We can help with those. So if your course is using any kind of integrations around OnCue, you can come and talk to us about it. Secondly is media creation or media design. So in a lot of cases, the media is already made for a course, but if you have to make anything pretty much during the semester, you can come and have a consult with professional educational media producers right here in the engineering, teaching, and learning team, and we can help. For example, we can help with lightboard videos. So lightboard videos are fantastic. We have a lightboard that's located on campus directly in our office. We can help with that. We can help with any kind of video production, whether it's in our facility or on-site in your facility, like in a laboratory setting. We can help with that. So talk to us if you're doing any kind of video production. Thirdly, active learning. So when it comes to doing things like Zoom sessions in support of laboratories or in support of tutorials, anytime you want to make a presentation in the moment with students and you want to keep it active where there's an interactive element between you and the student, we can help with that. Come and talk to us. We're happy to have a consultation to talk about not only how to use the technology supports to facilitate active learning, but even to go back to first principles. Why are you doing active learning? What does active learning really look like? And what is the outcome that you're looking for as far as students are concerned? Okay, next one, grading students. Now, grading students is something that we do all the time as members of the teaching team. If you need help thinking about how best to grade students, maybe you even want to do a rubric design, anything like that, we can certainly help you with what's an effective way to use the tools around you and also effective way to assess student work. We can have those conversations with you and we'd be happy to have a consult. And then lastly, the last one is responsible copyright, fair dealing. Certainly in every setting, we want to make sure to give the credit where credit is due. So if we are reusing an element that's found on the internet or reusing an element that's found in a source, we want to properly credit it. Members of the Engineering, Teaching, and Learning team are familiar with the Canadian Copyright Modernization Act, and they can guide you with the right supports here at Queen's to use material and reuse material that's owned by someone else in a fair way and leverage this fair dealing rule that we have here in Canada. So what you see on this slide is the breadth of things that we can help in the engineering, teaching, and learning team, and it's not limited to this. If you want to talk about something with respect to your teaching practice that isn't listed here, talk to us first. We can certainly help. So there you have it. That is a very, very quick overview of the engineering, teaching, and learning team. The best way to get us is to send us an email, at queensu.ca. That's ETLT, Engineering Teaching and Learning Team at queensu.ca. And I'm going to refer you to a fantastic web page right now. It's called the Adapting to Remote Teaching web pages. And what I recommend you do is you just Google that. So put engineering, adapting to remote teaching web pages. We've got some fantastic videos right there for you and a bunch of supports there on various subjects with respect to teaching. Some of them are focused on remote teaching. Others are just, they're just smart. They're just fantastic pieces of advice that work in any setting. So I strongly encourage you to go visit that webpage. Okay? If I can help, reach out. Again, I'm Eric Tremblay. I'm the director of the Engineering Teaching and Learning Team. You can get me at that email, etlt@queensu.ca. Thank you.